Hello guys, it's Ritik Roy from Roy Education World. Today we have to study diffraction of light. Topic: image formation in lens using raw diagram. Let us see. First rule: when a ray of light come parallel to principal axis. What is a principal axis? Principal axis is an imaginary line which passes through first center of curvature to second center of curvature. So, when a ray of light comes parallel to principal axis, after refraction, it passes through focus. In case of convex lens, and in case of concave lens, it appears to be diverged from principal focus. Let us see here. A ray of light come parallel to principal axis. Parallel to principal axis. What is meaning? Means the distance between the ray of light and principal focus, principal axis is same. Always same. Is always same. A ray of light come parallel to principal axis after refraction from convex lens pass through the principal focus. In case of concave lens, a ray appear to diverge from principal focus. Let us see the diagram. It is convex lens. It is convex lens, and we know that there are two focus and there are two center of curvature in lens. Okay, here is optical center. Optical center is center when the ray of light passes through the center of lens. It do not deviate. Okay, it is center. It is optical center. Oh, this is focus f1 and this is f2. Okay, when ray of light come parallel to principal axis, after refraction it passes through principal focus. In case of convex lens. Okay, and in case of concave lens, it is optical center and it is C1 and it is C2. And when the line passes from C1 to C2 is known as principal axis, and it is optical center, and this is F1 and this is F2. When ray of light come to parallel to principal axis, after refraction it's appear to be passing from focus. It's appear to pass from focus in case of concave lens. Okay, second rule: when a ray of light pass through principal focus after refraction by convex lens means this lens that bulging outward. After refraction through convex lens, it will emerge to parallel to principal axis. Will emerge to parallel to principal axis. When a ray of light appears to coming from principal focus or passing from principal focus after refraction through concave lens means bulging inward. After refraction through concave lens, it's emerged to parallel to principal axis. Let us see diagram. First, see a ray of light passing through a principal focus after refraction from convex lens will emerge parallel to principal axis. A ray of light appearing to meet at a principal focus appearing to meet at a principal focus, means it is a imaging, it is imaginary, okay, of concave lens after refraction will emerge parallel to principal axis. Let us see the diagram, okay. First, it is bulging outward. It is bulging outward means it is a convex lens. This is a principal axis passing from C1 to C2. And we know that there are two focus, F1 and F2. And this is optical center. When a ray of light passing through principal focus, means this after refraction it's emerged parallel to principal axis. It emerged parallel to principal axis. In case of concave lens, let us see in case of concave lens, it curve inward. This is inward. This is inward. This is inward. Okay. This is a principal axis, C2, C1, F1, F2. This is this is seem to be coming from the principal focus. It seem to be coming from principal focus. This it seem to be coming from principal focus. After refraction, it's emerged to parallel to principal axis. It seems to be. It is imaginary. It is coming from here and going here, but it is seems to be. It is imaginary. Okay. Let us see third rule for raw diagram. Okay. When a ray of light passes through optical center, after refraction, it will emerge without any deviation. We see in the case of when it passes through, when it's come to parallel to principal axis, after refraction it deviates and it cut to principal focus. And in case of when it passes through a principal focus, after refraction it deviates and come parallel to principal axis. But in case of optical center, it will not emerge. After it emerges, it do not deviate. Then what is the optical center? A midpoint of a lens is known as optical center. See here, a ray of light passing through optical center. This is a lens, this is a convex lens, and here is a optical center. This is a center of lens and it is a concave lens, and here is a optical center. The midpoint of a lens is known as optical center. Okay, a ray of light passing through optical center. Optical center of lens will emerge without any deviation. See here, it is optical center. A light come, and after refraction, we know that a ray of light come from one medium to another. There is change of speed of light in a medium. Okay, refraction of light is a bending of light from one medium to another. This is because light is a hurry. But when we see that when it pass from optical center, it do not deviate. Here it is a optical center, it do not deviate. It is a convex lens. Convex lens. It is bulging outward and it is a concave lens. It is curved inward. there are lots of problems between concave and convex, but you have to always remember bulging outwards, something a structure like this, bulging outwards, at least one face is bulging outward, is convex lens, and when a curve inward, something like this, then this is it is a concave lens. Okay.